How's it going, folks? Something crazy just happened. Just a few days ago, I had about 50 subscribers flat, and I posted my quitting my 9-to-5 job video. That video has been so well received, and I've gained hundreds and hundreds of subscribers. At 8:32 in the morning on Thursday, I hit 100 subscribers, and I was so fired up. But as time goes, y'all just keep on subscribing, and I want to say thank you, but I don't think that cuts it. So let's take a drive and let's chat exactly about how grateful I am for you. All right, before we get yapping, let's go for a quick pull. All right, let's get down to it, people. Now, I feel like the word thank you, or the phrase thank you these days, is so diluted. We say it for everything and it almost sort of loses its meaning. So let's chat a little bit more about how grateful I am for you guys. I vow to always, hold on one second, it's a good corner. What I was saying is, I vow to always, every single day, try to get better at the craft, to become the best YouTuber, best car YouTuber out there. You're subscribing to me for a reason, and I'm here to deliver. More than anything else, I am here to entertain. And I just want to say that although my subscriber count is coming up, I take note of all your names, I see all of your comments, and I want to let you know that I am beyond grateful for each and every single one of you. It doesn't matter as to whether I had 50 subscribers not too long ago, or whether I have 1 million down the road. I just want each and every single one of you to know that I appreciate you, and I will be working hard every single day to make the best possible content for you to enjoy. And I'll tell you what, it has been a wild ride seeing everyone coming into the comments, subscribing to the channel, and I gotta say that in my previous video, I told everyone that I would try to make content every single day, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm gonna have to switch things up. Because at the time of saying that, I was in a position where I had essentially no subscribers. I knew that frequency and daily posts was how I was gonna get there. But I hit that breakthrough point quicker than I thought, and therefore, I need to start making more quality content now. I am reading what you guys have to say. I am working on my mic setup. I am working on my presence on camera, and I will be posting at least 3 days a week. I just want to say that before I had so many videos queued up, waiting to post every single day. Oh, that is sweet, man. And dang, that thing got me distracted. That thing was sweet. What a nice blue he had. That's way cool. But where I'm going with this is, I made that statement, but I'm realizing very quick now that y'all deserve quality and not necessarily frequency. Now, once I get things down and I get the formula down, then we can start talking frequency. I could try for daily, but for now, it's just about practice and working on the craft. So, with all that being said, I just want to let you guys all know that I will be posting all sorts of videos. Some will be road trip, some will be just POV drives like this, some will be life advice, you name it. Now look at this gentleman. That's why you have fun driving, but you always just gotta try to make sure to be good to your community. So what I was saying though is, I'll be experimenting, I'll be seeing what works best. Please feel free to let me know how you feel about everything in the comments. Don't take it easy on me, be a critique. Let me know if this stuff that I'm putting out sucks. You let me know, because I'm making this stuff for you, the viewer, and the only way to make this the best possible experience is if you let me know exactly what floats your boat. But man, as I sit here behind this car and just take my time, I just want to say thank you again. I'm just so grateful and blown away that I just have so much support from everyone. It's cool to see everyone in the comments, even those that doubt my plan. I got people commenting on their posts saying, nah, he's got it, you know, like look what Jeff Bezos did, look what all these other entrepreneurs are doing. Risk is necessary for success, I'll tell you that much, people. Country roads, take me home. Been working on heel toes lately here. is going to be chill to the locals. Howdy, folk. On the way to school one day, my car will actually hit this rock on the side of the road. It's a very skinny section. Whew. Gosh, I love this car. I love this car, guys. Every single day I will go on and on and on about how much I love the Honda S2000. I was not raised with a Honda. I started off on Volkswagen, went to Subaru, Mazda, Ford, you name it. This is my first time in a Honda, or owning a Honda. I've obviously been in a Honda before. And goodness, let me tell you, it's something else, people. It's something else. One thing I noticed about all the comments, and a comment I knew I would see posting a video about quitting my 9 to 5, is that people saying, oh, you're doing it too early, or oh, this is such a stupid idea. And let me tell you, people, I'm not dumb. I know this is not a good financial idea. Trust me. Quitting your job at any time is not a good financial decision. However, one of my favorite phrases in the world is fortune favors the bold. Take note of that. Fortune favors the bold. You look at everyone in your life who is absolutely excelling at what they do, everyone who has, quote, made it in life, and the one thing that you will see in every single one of them is they had to take leaps that scared them. And it's those that really go for it that reap the benefits of life. That's not to say you can't live a good life without going for it. I'm just saying, if you want something in life, you better go for it. And my darn check engine light just turned on. That's a shame. We'll have to look into that soon. So anyways, folks, that's enough of the yapping. I wanted to focus today on thanking you for your support. Thank you for all those who subscribe. Thank you those who have commented positive things. It's people like you that keep me going every single day. So thank you again and again and again. I am forever grateful for you. Peace out. Have a mellow day.